Hello everybody, today's a special day guys. We got our Crimson Haze booster box, okay, from Korea, and we'll be opening this today. Hopefully guys, we can get something big, and if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. We will not weigh this up. We will not weigh each pack right now. We will directly open it guys. I'm really hoping we can get something big here. I really love the Grow Light illustration there, SIRs, and also the EV. Hopefully guys we can get that EV on this set. That is really nice. Okay, so if you're looking to buy original Korean box, you need to check first guys if there's a KC. This one, KC mark on the back of the box. Okay, and then to know if the pack is original, okay, so you need to open first. Okay, let's open this one. I'll show you guys packs. Okay, so this one is consisting of 30 packs. So there's 30 packs inside, and then the pack should be look like this guys. Okay, so there should be a triangle cut there, and then there's triangle at the bottom. Okay, this one, and then at the back you should see this logo, yeah, Pokemon.co.kr, and yeah, that's all guys. This is original pack and original cards. So I'm really thankful guys. We have found a lot of good sellers in Shopee. So if you're interested to buy Korean packs, you can buy guys in Shopee, or you can visit our shop, Daily Dose of Magic. We're also selling Pokemon packs and boxes, and also we're opening a lot of stuff, so we're selling as well, and Pokemon cards guys. So maybe you have something in mind that we have. So wow, nice EV. Whoa, our first hit guys is Slugma. Very nice EX card. Okay, let's go. We'll take it. I really like the EX card on this set. It's like on the Paradise Dragona guys. The texture guys is really different. You can see the texture. You can see the texture. Okay, I'm zooming it in. So in other EX card, there's no texture like this. So I show you. So this one is a different EX card. Okay, so there's no texture like that. It's just this one is more glossy. So the other EX card is more glossy, but this EX card from this set has more texture, and I like that. So let's go. Let's open up. So for our second pack. So that's our first pack magic guys. We directly open guys. Hopefully guys we can get something big guys. Let's do it fast because we're a little bit busy today. Today is Saturday. And hopefully we can get... Oh, let's go! SR! SR, man. Oh my god, I love this card. I love this card. Super rare card. Second pack, guys. Super rare immediately. So in each box, guys, we are insured to get one SR. So that's a good thing in Korean box. I don't know. I think it's the same in Japanese box as well. So in one box you can get at least 4 illustration rare, 4 to 6, and then 1 SR. And if you're lucky, you can get some SAR. Okay, so what else? So for third pack, and for one pack, guys, it consists of five cards. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, and yeah, it has a guaranteed Ace card. Yeah, so you can see here, Ace card. Really nice. The texture. I actually, guys, I thought before that this Ace card is really expensive because it's you know, the texture is really insane and the color is really nice, but this one is very cheap only. So the illustration rare is more expensive. So but yeah, I'm thankful for that. We already got a third pack, fourth pack. So guys, let's do this fast because we're opening 30 packs guys, and hopefully we can get something big today. EV, let's go. Oh, nothing. Holo card. Holo card. But we're keeping guys the holo cards because I saw in the Shopee, I saw in other platform, even the holo card guys as a high value, and sometimes the holo card is more expensive than the illustration rares. Actually, that is insane. I saw something like that, especially in the Black Bolt cards. Okay, nothing on this pack. Let's go. You know, guys, some of the influencers or some of the YouTubers, they're opening packs like crazy. They're opening multiple packs at once, but I don't like to do that because, yeah, you know, it's killing the vibe. Oh my God! Oh my God! Let's go, Crimson Haze. Actually, guys, if you will ask me, Crimson Haze is a very underrated box or set. This one is a really has really good illustration rares, and also this set, guys, is still cheap in the market. Actually, if you will look on the market, even for the Japanese versions, this set is still cheap, so you can still buy this one. Oh, Arcanine. Is this Arcanine? Yeah, actually, I really like to get this grow light, guys. This fluffy grow light. So we are looking for that, the illustration rare of the fluffy grow light. But we'll take this. We'll take this, guys. I really like Arcanine. So, you know, when I'm playing Game Boy Advance, I really like to use this fire type Pokemon. So I'm always playing, you know, all that Flareon, Charizard, Typhlosion. I always using them, guys, in, you know, okay, so no hit on that pack in the Pokemon Game Boy Advance. So right now I'm still looking on other Pokemon games. So actually, guys, I'm a big gamer, Pokemon big gamer, and wow, I did not know that this Crimson Haze has this Suicune holo card. Actually, guys, this one is, I think, also have in the Paradise Dragona. Yeah, this one is really nice. I love it. Okay, let's go. Let's open more, guys. And if you're new to my channel, guys, I hope you can also subscribe, guys. Please do subscribe. It's really a big help for us. Wow. Let's go. EX card. But this looks like also the EX card, guys, you know, from the Paradise Dragona. So they are much alike. So maybe some of the cards were also similar. Let's go! Grizzly Bear. EX card. Okay. So usually, guys, in one box you can get at least 8 EX card. 6 to 8 EX card. So if you love EX card, guys, actually, if you love illustration rares or EX card, guys, I suggest you buy a box. You'll buy a box Jigglypuff EX. You'll buy one box, guys, instead of buying pack, because in for example, in Shopee, guys, the packs that they are selling there is, you know, is a bit loose already, and it's a bit sorted already by the seller. So they are sorting it by weight so that you can only receive some of the pack with no hits. So majority of the packs that they are selling has no hits. Unlike in our shop, okay, in Daily Dose of Magic shop, guys, we are selling, guys, the packs without weighing them. Okay, I am saying, what the? Let's go! Illustration rare. Wow. Whoa. You see that, guys? I never see it coming. I like the color, man. The red color of this illustration rare is very sick. Is very sick, OMG. Oh my god, I love Crimson Haze. Crimson Haze, guys. If you want to open packs, I suggest, guys, you open Crimson Haze or Heat Wave. That is one of the best packs right now, which is cheap. I'm talking about cheap. Of course, if you want the best packs, then you buy the expensive ones like the 151s. But of course, 151 is already overrated, and it's very expensive, guys, to open. Imagine one booster box of that is how much? Around one booster box only, guys, I think 100 to 200 USD. So that one is in English version, and that's very insane, 100 to 200 USD, guys. However, this one is only costing around 20 to 30, maybe $30. So imagine $30 versus $100. Okay. Hopefully we can get something big. I hope we can get some SAR. I never get some SAR in Crimson Haze. Actually, we opened a lot of Crimson Haze before, English version. If you are old in my channel, you know that, guys. We opened this a lot before in our previous videos, but we never got something big. So now I decided to go big and open one box. Because before we only buying per pack. So that's the reason, guys. That's the reason I'm telling you. If you want to, you know, if you want to buy Crimson Haze, I prefer you buy one whole box, because in one whole box you can get some really nice hits. Unlike if you will open some packs only, then the chances is very low. Okay, let's go. Give me more hits. Give me more hits. Oh my god. Oh my god, we're near to our last packs. It's crazy, it's crazy. It's crazy, guys. We haven't get something. Whoa! Let's go! Oh my god! We got the chase card. Let's go! The EV. I'm so happy, guys. Oh my god. I buy this whole box just for this, actually, guys. Because if I will buy this card alone, guys, even in Korean version, it's really expensive. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so fulfilled. I'm so fulfilled right now. So comment something, guys, if you like this card as well. Okay, and if you think that this card is will worth more in the future. I believe this card will worth more in the future, guys. This EV, evolutions. This card is insane. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Damn, man. We got the EV, man. Let's go. We can stop the video already. No, just kidding. We continue this one until end of the packs, but I'm really satisfied already, guys. That is our cheese card, and of course the grow light. But yeah, if we will not get the grow light, then it's okay. It's okay for me if we will not get the grow lights. But if we will get the grow light, then it's super insane. Imagine if I got the grow light here, guys. Damn. We already complete our day already. Oh my god, still no hit. Okay, it's okay, no hit. If we will get the grow light, hopefully. I'm just talking about the EV, guys, but it already appeared, man. Okay, Suicune. I love this guy. This is one of my most favorite legendary Pokemon, Suicune and Entei. So Suicune and Entei is my favorite legendary dog. Oh my god, so these are, okay, how many? Last three packs. If I'm not mistaken, correctly mistaken. Okay, so maybe you are thinking why I'm using a Scizor, because I don't want to destroy the card, guys. So the Scizor keeps the card nice, because in other influencer, other YouTuber, guys, they are destroying the pack like crazy. Okay, last three packs. They are destroying the packs, guys, like crazy, but we don't like that. We don't like to damage the cards, because we are selling some of the cards, and oh, Zapdos. This one is my most favorite legendary bird, Zapdos. I like this more than Moltres, guys. So, but some of the guys love Articuno. So, my favorite is Zapdos and Entei. And then Ho-Oh and Lugia. Last pack, Magic. Guys, please give us what we need. The grow light, guys. The grow light, please. Please give it to me. Give it to me, man. Give it to me. Give it to me. Oh! Illustration rare, but it's not the grow light, man. But nevertheless, okay, nevertheless, this illustration rare is still sick. Is very sick. Oh my god. It's very sick and it's very defined, man. See? See those people around? Wow. Wow, we're pretty lucky, guys. We're pretty lucky today. So these are our overall hits. Okay, so we got this. Okay, I will still get the, you know, okay, so this is our hits, including the holo card, holo, 3 holo, 4 holo, 5 holo, 6 holo, 7 holo, and EV. Let's go! This is the best hit, guys, EV. Okay, Arcanine, holo. Okay, very nice illustration rare. Let's go. Okay, let's separate the holos. Okay, EX, holo, illustration rare. Okay, get that. Okay, these are SR, guys. Actually, I love SR, but I don't like the trainer SR. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of the trainer card. EX, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, this one is a different pack. 5 EX card. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 EX card only. This one is from different pack. And we got some. Okay, so we got 4 EX, Jigglypuff, Grizzly Bear. This one is like Tyranitar, and this one is Lagma. Then we got how many holo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 holo card. Not bad, guys. And 1 ace card. 1 ace card, okay. 1 ace. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, our conclusion is correct. 4 illustration rares and 1 SR card. So I'm satisfied on the hits. I'm really satisfied because we get this, guys. We got our chase card, guys. Please subscribe if you like EV as well. See you on the next one. God bless!